So I want to show you some other practical life works other than the pouring works, because there's a lot more to practical life. Here we have the dusting and the sweeper work. So just having students help keep the house tidy is a really great way to do practical life. Here's the bottle work, where they practice putting on bottle caps to different jars. Here's the bead threading, and you could use this with beads and a string, or you could also use colorful noodles. Those are sometimes fun as well. Here we have the lacing work. Here's a little bit of a more difficult lacing work in which the students lace on different clothes onto the little bear. This is finger weaving. This is a sorting work in which the students can sort by color or by shape as well. This is the tweezer work, in which the students use a tweezer to move the colorful pom-poms from one bowl into another. And this is the clip work. This is really good for hand strengthening, and it's pretty tricky, so it's mostly for the older students. And then I'm going to walk over to another shelf in our classroom that has a couple more practical life options. So here we have the peg work. Here's a puzzle work, coin sorting, hammering work. This is a sequencing work, a pattern work that I made using little flowers. Here's the screw work. And here's a color sorting work using pom-poms to sort into the different colors into different sections of the tray. And then at the very bottom, I have our table setting work, in which I have napkins, the cups, bowls, and silverware all in a basket, and then I made little placemats to help the students learn where to put the forks, knives, cups, plates, and the napkins when setting the table. So hopefully some of those suggestions were something that you found helpful.